We did have someone driving to the back of one of our plows last night on Highway 10. That motorist was most likely following too closely, and our trucks typically kick up very large snow clouds, and that can fool motorists sometimes, and they think there's clear sailing when in fact there isn't.
We had to pull off on the side of the road for probably 10 minutes before we decided to go again and try to stop for gas, and now we're stuck in the snow. So yeah, it's pretty bad.
They were pretty much impassable, I'd say about an hour ago, yes. So, I mean, we've been here for about an hour, but I mean, literally whited out. You couldn't see, zero visibility. When they said zero visibility, they meant it.